Welcome back, garden enthusiasts and potato lovers. Today, we're discussing common pests and diseases that affect red potatoes and how to manage them using organic solutions. Let's get started. Red potatoes can be affected by several pests. First, we have Colorado potato beetles. These beetles and their larvae feed on the leaves. Next, there are aphids. These small insects weaken plants and spread diseases. Lastly, there are wireworms. These larvae burrow into the tubers, causing damage. Manage pests organically. Start with handpicking. Regularly inspect and remove pests. Then, use neem oil. Spray neem oil to deter pests. Also, introduce beneficial insects like ladybugs. Finally, practice crop rotation. Red potatoes are susceptible to several diseases. First, there's late blight, which causes dark spots on leaves and tubers. Then, we have early blight, which causes rings on leaves. Lastly, potato scab causes scabby spots on tubers. Manage diseases organically by following these steps. Proper spacing is crucial to improve air circulation. Plant disease-resistant potatoes to reduce the risk of infections. Use mulch to prevent soil-borne diseases. And be sure to remove and destroy any infected plants. Using these organic solutions, you can protect your red potatoes from pests and diseases. Stay tuned for our next video with more gardening tips. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more eco-friendly ideas. Happy gardening!